Hi everyone, this is Dr. Konstantin. I'm a facial plastic surgeon and a facelift expert, and we are talking today about BOTOX. And BOTOX is a very confusing medication because a lot of people not quite sure where it's injected, what are the effects of it. And just to remind you, BOTOX is the medication that we inject directly into the muscle to relax it. And as the muscle is relaxed, the wrinkle or some kind of a movement that we want to get rid of just disappears. So around the face, and I counted all those muscles that we're injecting for cosmetic reasons, I have 11 muscles, and we're just gonna go over all of them, and I will explain what the effect is going to be like and what those muscles are injected for. Now, if you can think of any other muscles around the face or neck area that are injected for cosmetic reasons, please let us know in the comments. So, starting from the top, Frontalis is the first one, and that's the muscle responsible for those horizontal lines around the forehead. The next one is going to be Corrugator and Procerus, and those are the muscles responsible for the frown and for those horizontal lines around the nose, right up here in this area. So once injected, it gets rid of those 11s that most people don't want to see there. Next one is going to be Nasalis, and Nasalis, as the name implies, is the muscle right around the nose, and it creates the bunny lines. When somebody wrinkles the nose right here, those lines can become very deep, so to get rid of them, that particular muscle is injected. The next one is going to be a mouthful, and I always have to read it because I just can't say this name. It's Levator labii superioris alaeque nasa, and this is the muscle that runs from the corner of the nose to the lip, and it's the muscle that's responsible for gummy smiles. So when somebody smiles and the lip comes up way too high, injecting that muscle helps to relax the lip. In the same area, the muscle called Orbicularis is the one that's injected to get rid of those vertical lines around the lip. And those are called smoker's lines, although not everyone who gets them smokes. But the BOTOX work either for smokers or not smokers to smooth those lines out. Now, talking about the lines and Orbicularis, we have another Orbicularis. It's the one that runs around the eye, and that's the muscle responsible for the wrinkles in a corner of the eyes. So we inject that to get rid of those smile lines. When people smile and squint, those deep wrinkles we can smooth out by using BOTOX in that area. Other muscles around the lips is the Depressor angular oris, and that's the muscle that's responsible for pulling the corner of the mouth down. So if this is your problem, we can inject that muscle, and by relaxing the muscle that pulls the corner of the mouth down, it will actually help to lift it up. Now, the next muscle is the masseter, and the masseter is a big muscle right here in the corner, and it's the one that's responsible for chewing. When you're clenching your teeth, you can feel that muscle getting very tense. And that can be both. Some therapeutic use is to just relax the muscle. For when people grind their teeth, oftentimes they develop the pain in this area, and to get rid of the pain, the dentist inject BOTOX here. At the same time, to slim the face and make it look a little bit more narrow, that's what could be done with BOTOX. So slightly changing the shape of the face, we inject the muscle that makes the face look more angular. The next one is the muscle called Mentalis, and this is the muscle around the chin, and a lot of times that muscle could be very active, and when people speak, their chin is constantly moving, and we definitely want to get rid of it. So just a touch of BOTOX to the area will help to mitigate this problem. And then the next one is we are moving into the neck, and the neck has that big muscle called Platysma that oftentimes give you those bends. And with some people, again, it's very active. When they talk, you constantly see those muscle bands appearing and disappearing. So injecting some BOTOX to the area helps to smooth it out and make the neck look much younger, more aesthetically pleasing. So these are all the muscles around the face or neck area that we inject for cosmetic reasons. Like or subscribe to this video if you want to see more of these videos.